Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks. I'm currently on Luohaning Road in Guiyang, Guizhou Province, China. Today, I'm taking you into this ruin-like street, and you'll find it hard to believe this is the heart of Guiyang City, surrounded by towering skyscrapers. This place looks as if it's been bombed, yet it's still home to ordinary city dwellers. Next, let's take a look around here. She whispered, "Wanna play?" Can you imagine? Just 20 minutes ago, this place was completely empty because there was a police car at the intersection. Now the police car's gone. I simply have to say, this is insane. This place has almost turned into a bazaar, and all the people frequenting it are men. The women waiting for clients were all elderly rural women. They were uneducated, lacked social security and health insurance, and were truly marginalized members of society. But in my view, they weren't involved with illegal drugs. Of course, their purpose here is to earn money for their families, not to spend it on drugs. But that doesn't mean they're immune to illness. Due to their lack of education, they often acquiesce to male clients' unreasonable demands during transactions, such as not using condoms, which has led to sexually transmitted diseases becoming commonplace here. Most of the men who come here are middle-aged or older, though you'll also see young people. I think this might be related to China's significant wealth gap and the high cost of marriage. In China, a man typically needs to prepare at least 500,000 Chinese yuan or more to find a spouse and get married. I wonder if people in Western countries would still marry if they needed $500,000 USD to find a wife. You can imagine the immense marital pressure Chinese men face, which has led to a sharp decline in marriage rates in China today. If nothing changes, and with the police cracking down so harshly on these women, I dread to think how many rape cases there will be in China in the future. As I walked away, the woman with glasses called out to me, 30 yuan. Only 30 yuan. Oh my goodness. That's like for US dollars. Her price was so incredibly cheap. It was clear that due to her age, she could only attract customers with such low prices. Having walked this far, I've decided not to continue up the mountain. Instead, I'm turning back because I want to see what their work environment is like. This woman seemed a little younger. I asked her, "How much?" She replied, 80 yuan. That's about $11. I decided to go see her work environment. I had always thought they only worked here and didn't live here, but when I saw clothes drying in their room, I realized I was wrong. I hope this is just their workplace, and not their home. After I came up, a young man arrived here. As I walked past her, she also asked if I wanted to play. I could only apologize. Just as I was about to leave, more and more men arrived. The women here were entering their busiest time of the day. The guy in front of me is beaming with happiness. It looks like he's found something good here. Next, I'm going to head to a street about 100 meters from here where there are some young women. Come along with me and let's check it out. That's it for today's video. If you enjoy my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I'll reply to your comments.